Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Showcase.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, April the 16th. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. And for today, we're going to be looking at the chart of the FTSE. This is the stock index from the UK. 45 minutes chart here. We can see the index rallying as an impulse. Currently looking to finish this wave 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then looking to finish with 5, and that wave 5 is going to end with 3 in the minute degree, right? In the minute degree, and then after that we should be looking for a pullback in the wave 4 in 3 waves, right, followed by further upside in the wave 5. So simply then any subsequent pullback should continue to find support for Friday and also early next week, and should continue to extend higher, and pullback should find buyers in 3, 7, 11 swing. Now looking at the larger degree a little bit to get a higher degree context, we can see right here in the 4-hour chart, I'm placing in here the 3 and 4, and then 1 and 2. So we're talking about the move that started from February 27, and we also have a move that started from January 29 here. You can see over here we got a connector here, another connector here, and then extension here. So this is the one that is wave 3 from here, the wave 3, but then as you can see, there's another sort of a nest coming up from the January 29. So this is not going to be ending anytime soon as a result, and we can continue to see further upside, right? And currently, yes, wave 3 should be ending anytime soon, but this is not a sell. As you can see, it's clearly bullish and impulsive, and pullback therefore should continue to find support here. Next pullback wave 4 should find support, another leg higher, and then because of the nest here, we should get another bigger pullback, and then another higher again, another leg higher again, to finish the entire move here that started from January 29. Okay, so as a result, the right side is to the upside, and the thing about picking the top is always going to be it can continue to extend. So I think the best way really is just waiting for pullback, right? Waiting for pullback to happen, and then that pullback, when that happens, should find support every single time in 3, 7, 11 swing, because the structure looks incomplete here, the impulsive structure from 27, as from February 27, as well as from January 29. Alright, so that's the update here for the FTSE, and as always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next week, and have a nice weekend to you all.